Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given system of equations. As you can see over here, our first equation is x power 3 plus y power 3 equal to 7 times x plus y. And the second equation is x squared plus y squared equals to 10. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. Now let's go ahead and focus on this first equation, this part on the left hand side. And we are going to factor it by using this sum of cube formula, as you can see over here. So therefore, this first equation could be written as the left hand side. I can write x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y square equal to 7 times x plus y. Now let's go ahead and focus on the second equation on the left hand side, x squared plus y square. We can manipulate this one by using this formula, as you can see over here. So this could be written as simply x plus y square minus 2 times xy equals to 10. And here in this next step, I have rearranged these terms. I wrote down x squared plus y squared minus xy. The rest is same in this equation, and also the second equation is same as well. Now in this equation, we can see x squared plus y squared. I am going to replace it by x plus y squared minus 2xy by using this formula. So the first equation, this could be written as, we already got x plus y times, over here I am going to replace this one by this. So I can write this one as x plus y square minus 2 times xy. Then I'm going to just copy it down, this thing negative xy, and then equal to 7 times x plus y. And we can see the second equation is same. And now in this next step, I have combined this negative 2xy and negative xy, that becomes negative 3xy, and the rest is same. Now in this next step, we are going to use the substitution method to make things simple. So let me show you that one right now. I can write a equal to x plus y, and I'm going to write down b equal to x times y. So these two equations are going to become, after the substitution, the first equation is going to become a times a square minus 3b equal to 7a, and the second equation is going to become a square minus 2b equals to 10. And now in this next step, we are going to move this 7a on the left hand side, and likewise we are going to move this 10 on the left hand side as well. And here's our next step. Once we have moved this 7a and 10 on the left hand side, as you can see over here. And now we can see that this a and this a, they can be factored out since they are in common. And here's our next step. Once we have factored out a outside, now let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 1 and this as an equation number 2. And now in this next step, let's focus on this equation 1, which I have just copied down over here. We can see that a times a square minus 3b minus 7 equal to 0. Then I can write them as either a equal to 0 or this a square minus 3b minus 7 equal to 0. And now let's take case 1. We are going to pick this a equal to 0 value. So then our this equation 2 is going to become, and here's our equation 2. Let's go ahead and substitute a equal to 0 value in this equation. So our this equation is simply is going to become 0 square minus 2b minus 10 equal to 0. So that could be written as negative 2b minus 10 equal to 0, since 0 square is 0. So that is going to give us b equal to negative 5. So thus we got a equal to 0 value and b equals to negative 5. And now we can see a is same as x plus y and b is same as x times y. So I can write these one as a could be written as x plus y equal to 0, and this b could be written as x times y equal to negative 5. And here in the next step, I move this y on the right hand side, so this become negative y, and then I have substituted this x equal to negative y value in this equation. So this simply become negative y times y equal to negative 5. And now this equation could be written as negative y times y could be written as negative y square equal to negative 5. So that means if I remove this negative sign, so that is going to give us y square equal to 5. Let's go ahead and take the square root on both sides. So that means our y value turns out to be positive or negative square root of 5. And now let's go ahead and substitute this y equal to positive or negative square root of 5 value in this equation. So this is simply is going to become x equal to negative outside positive or negative square root of 5, and that is going to give us x equal to negative and then positive. The sign switch over, so that is going to become negative or positive square root of 5. So thus as a result we got these two solutions for this case number 1. Our first solution is negative square root of 5 comma square root of 5, and the other solution is square root of 5 comma negative square root of 5. And now we are going to consider case number 2, and this time we are going to pick the other value, a square minus 3b minus 7 equal to 0. And here's our equation number 2 as well. Now let's go ahead and subtract these equations. Let me go ahead and subtract this. I'm going to change the sign minus, positive, positive, negative. So this is gone. So this we got negative b plus 3 equal to 0, which means b value turns out to be positive 3. And now in this next step, we are going to substitute b equal to 3 value in this equation 2, which is already over here. And now let's go ahead and replace b by 3 value. So we are going to get a square minus b is 3. 3 times 2 becomes 6 minus 10 equal to 0, which gives us a square equal to positive 16. Let's go ahead and take the square root on both sides. So that means our a value is going to be positive or negative 4 value. So thus we got two sets of values. If b equal to 3, then a equals to 4, and the other one when b equal to 3, we have a equal to negative 4 as well. And we also know that this a value is x plus y and b is x times y. So therefore this thing is going to become simply x times y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 4. And on this side likewise we're gonna have x times y equal to 3 and x plus y over here is going to be negative 4. Now let's focus on this equation on the left hand side, x plus y equal to 4. And if I move this y on the other side, that is going to give us simply x equal to 4 minus y. And now let's go ahead and substitute this x equal to 4 minus y value in this equation, x times y equal to 3. And here are our steps. You can see over here we got this quadratic equation, and after factoring these ones I got y equals to 1 value and the other value y equal to 3. And now let's go ahead and plug back this y equals to 1 value in this equation. So this is going to give us x equal to 4 minus 1. So that means our x value is going to become 3. So if we have x equal to 3 and y equal to 1, we can write this one 3 comma 1. And now let's put y equal to 3 value over here. So this is going to give us x equal to 4 minus 3. That means x equal to 1. So therefore this time we got this set x is 1 and y equal to 3. So thus our solution turns out to be 1 comma 3 and the other one is 3 comma 1. And now let's focus on these b equal to 3 and a equal to negative 4 values on this right hand side. And we have this equation x plus y equal to negative 4. And I'm going to move this y on the right hand side. So that means our x value is going to be equal to negative 4 minus y. And now let's go ahead and plug back this x equal to negative 4 minus y value in this equation, x times y equal to 3. And here are our steps once we have substituted these x values. So we finally got, after this factoring part, y turns out to be negative 1 and y equal to negative 3 values. Now let's pick this y equal to negative 1 value and plug it in this equation. So this is going to give us x equal to negative 4, and then this negative and y is negative 1. So that is going to give us negative 4 plus 1. So x value turns out to be negative 3. So that means when we have x value is negative 3, then y value is negative 1. And now let's pick y equal to negative 3 value and plug it back over here in this equation. So we are going to get x equal to negative 4 and then minus negative 3. That is going to give us negative 4 plus 3. So that means x equal to negative 1 value. So thus our this set become x equal to negative 1 and y is negative 3. So thus our solution turns out to be, in this case, is negative 1 comma negative 3 and the other one is negative 3 comma negative 1. And thus here's our complete solution set, as you can see over here, and this is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.